Good morning, Eastview students. Mr. G here. Hope you are doing well and that you had a good weekend. One of my weekend highlights, I'd really mix it up, and I went from one side of my house. I went all the way over to the other side where I don't spend a lot of time, and so crazy. Honestly, for me, we got outside and enjoyed the weather, so we're running around, just outside in our yard. Still doing social distancing, but yeah, it was nice to get out and about. So hope you did have a good weekend. We are back at it this week. We have a great week. I think you guys are going to like what we do. Friendly reminder, we should not be turning in our graphic design creations. Today's your last one. And then tomorrow, we're going to use Flipgrid, and they have a screen recorder on there where you're going to record all four, and that is going to be your presentation. It's also going to be your biggest grade that we have for the first 3 weeks of class. I think it's all four of them are combined, and that is tomorrow. So again, you'll notice on the screen it says don't submit, yet I have a bunch of people submitting for some unknown reason. So today we are going to do a graphic design called Your Favorite Game, and then you'll do your exit slip, which is just 2 questions. So let's take a look at the drawing. Okay, so you'll notice it says day 5. I still have it in the week 1 projects. It says final Google drawing, graphic design. So it's any game. You're using your skills that you've learned on Google Drawings. That's what we're using, obviously. And it could be a board game, a video game, an outdoor game, any game. It's just, something to show what skills you've made. So you're going to have your first and last name in word art. You're going to have multiple characters or players in the game. You should use the whole Google drawing space. There should be multiple colorful layers. So the whole screen is used up in your creation. Should be colorful, multiple layers, making it look as high quality as possible. Again, we're using the shapes used to create your images, so we're not putting any type of clip art or anything that's already created. It is 100% created by you, and that's what you're going to do today. Tomorrow, it will be part of the presentation you create, and then we'll share those out. Just giving you an idea where we're headed this week. On Wednesday, you can mark your calendar. We'll use the regular bell schedule to do a quick Zoom. Maybe only 10 minutes or so, but we will do Zoom on Wednesday. You're going to learn how to make your own animated GIF on Wednesday as well. Thursday, we're going to start photo editing, and I really think you guys are going to like that. We're going to learn how to crop out the backgrounds, superimpose images, all kinds of fun stuff. I really think you'll enjoy that. So that also gives you a glimpse into where we're headed this week. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll be checking out your work and see it in Flipgrid tomorrow, and then I'll see you guys live on Wednesday. Have a great week.